How to delete Snapchat account permanently. First of all, open the Snapchat app on your mobile device and log into the account you want to delete. Once log in, tap on your profile icon or Bitmoji in the top left corner. Tap on the gear icon in the top right corner to open the setting. Scroll down and look for the section labeled Delete Account. Tap on it. If you don't see this option, Snapchat may redirect you to their official website for account deletion. On the Snapchat website, log in with your account credentials. Enter your username or email address. Tap on Next and then enter your password. Tap on Next. You will be prompted to re-enter your password. Tap on Continue. After completing this step, your account will be deactivated for 30 days. During the period, you can log back in your recovery account if you change your mind. After 30 days, your account will be permanently deleted. And that's it. Your Snapchat account is now set for permanent deletion. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.